Are you searching for the best Nikon camera to capture stunning photos and cinematic videos? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, we have compiled the ultimate list of 5 top-tier options to help you elevate your photography game today.
Starting our list is a phenomenal choice for content creators and travel enthusiasts. This lightweight APS-C mirrorless powerhouse features a high-resolution 20.9 megapixel sensor paired with the ultra-fast XP7 processor. The dual lens kit provides ultimate versatility right out of the box, covering everything from wide-angle landscapes to distant wildlife. It delivers stunning uncropped 4K video at 30 frames per second, alongside an impressive pre-release capture feature that guarantees you never miss a fleeting moment. The fully articulating touchscreen and upgraded ultra-bright electronic viewfinder make framing shots effortless in any lighting condition. Advanced subject tracking autofocus ensures sharp results whether you're photographing fast-moving athletes or recording flawless vlogs. If you need a compact, travel-friendly system that refuses to compromise on professional-grade performance and video capabilities, this versatile kit is an absolute must-have.
Camera number 2, Nikon Z50 II. This camera is an outstanding entry point into professional full-frame photography. Equipped with a brilliant 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated sensor and the cutting-edge XP7 processor, it produces breathtaking images with exceptional dynamic range. This hybrid powerhouse excels in low-light environments, ensuring your nighttime portraits remain crisp and noise-free. Videographers will love the uncropped 4K recording capabilities, complete with advanced 10-bit color logs for maximum grading flexibility in post-production. The rugged, weather-sealed body houses an incredibly bright 3000 nit electronic viewfinder, offering a crystal-clear preview even under the harshest sunlight. Boasting 7.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, you can confidently shoot handheld video and sharp, long-exposure photos without a tripod. Featuring intelligent autofocus with multi-subject detection, this camera is perfectly tailored for hybrid shooters who demand high-end full-frame quality without breaking the bank.
Camera number 3. Nikon D7500 20.9 megapixel DSLR. Taking the third spot is built for traditionalists who love the tactile feel of an optical viewfinder. Borrowing the flagship sensor from its high-end sibling, this crop sensor DSLR delivers spectacular 20.9 megapixel stills with unmatched color accuracy. It is an absolute beast for sports and wildlife photography, boasting an incredibly rugged, weather-sealed body that withstands the toughest outdoor conditions. The powerful 51-point autofocus system tracks erratic subjects flawlessly, while the impressive 8 frames per second continuous shooting speed ensures you capture peak action sequences. Beyond still photography, it offers reliable 4K ultra-high-definition video recording to expand your creative boundaries. The deep ergonomic grip provides comfortable handling during long shooting sessions, and the extensive battery life vastly outperforms most modern mirrorless alternatives. For purists wanting uncompromised optical clarity, fast performance, and legendary durability, this DSLR remains a highly capable champion.
Camera number 4 is the Nikon COOLPIX P950 Superzoom digital camera, the ultimate tool for birdwatchers and astrophotography enthusiasts. The standout feature is its mind-blowing 83 times optical zoom lens, which effortlessly brings distant wildlife and lunar craters right into the palm of your hand. Despite the massive focal length, the dual detect optical vibration reduction technology stabilizes your shots, allowing for sharp, handheld telephoto images without a cumbersome tripod. The 16-megapixel sensor captures vibrant, detailed photographs and stunning 4K video, ensuring your distant discoveries look incredibly lifelike. It features a bright electronic viewfinder and a versatile vari-angle screen for composing extreme high or low-angle shots. Integrated birdwatching and moon modes automatically optimize settings for these challenging subjects, making extreme telephoto photography accessible to anyone. If you want unmatched zoom reach in a convenient all-in-one package, this Superzoom camera is your perfect match.
Camera number 5. Nikon D3100 14.2 megapixel. Finishing our lineup is the classic Nikon D3100 14.2 megapixel digital SLR camera, an exceptional choice for those just beginning their photographic journey. This remarkably lightweight and affordable DSLR simplifies the learning curve without sacrificing image quality. The 14.2 megapixel crop sensor produces beautiful, vibrant images that easily surpass modern smartphones, providing genuine optical depth of field for gorgeous portrait backgrounds. Its signature guide mode acts as a built-in photography tutor, walking you step by step through optimal settings for various shooting scenarios. The responsive 11-point autofocus system ensures your subjects remain sharp, while the straightforward button layout makes manual control highly intuitive. It also records full high-definition video, allowing you to dabble in basic filmmaking. With an endless ecosystem of compatible and affordable lenses available, this dependable entry-level model offers incredible value for students or anyone eager to master the fundamentals of real photography.
Which one is for you? The D3100 offers unbeatable entry-level affordability, while the P950 provides unique superzoom value. The D7500 remains a mid-range DSLR powerhouse. For premium modern mirrorless tech, the Z50 II balances budget and performance, while the Z50 II delivers ultimate full-frame quality. Check the links below.